it still gonna land?
I don't know. That was amazing.
Alright, you're gonna push.
I'm gonna push.
You're gonna push.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get blasted.
No, I don't think you will, because... Alright, well, we're stuck. We got stuck. Hey, you could... Yeah. Ready? That's fancy.
Yeah, we're getting there. Should have got a gasket. I didn't know it actually.
Gaskets are overrated.
Yeah, I didn't actually know it had a gasket.
They're gonna stretch its legs today.
Yeah.
And go. Technically, it's first. This is his first cross-country flight since we brought it back from New Mexico, right?
Yeah.
That fit right there, didn't it?
Yeah.
So this is the new LED.
Yeah. It even has the alignment. Well,
Oh.
it's super official. Came with paperwork. Yep, paperwork.
That's gonna look amazing. So what was the grounding issue again? Or sorry, we weren't getting any voltage.
Yeah.
It was just the motor mount ground?
The ground wire going from the motor to the firewall was bad. It had one. It just wasn't in the right spot. So positive. So this is positive.
Being
so
positive is
this
good.
one goes to here.
You get farther in life when you're positive. Usually the negativity doesn't help, but sometimes it does a little bit, right?
Right.
All right. It is a very chilly morning. Got some nice frosties. So glad we're taking airplane versus the open cockpit, because we would have been frozen before wheels up.
Oh, we still might freeze in this one.
Yeah, but we won't freeze it as bad, which is good.
God, it feels good when that works. Oh, yeah.
That's what I say about everything.
That's a good. It feels good when it's working.
I'll check this side.
That's not good.
Don't worry about that. We don't look at.
Ones and
Well, we
backwards.
don't worry about. Are you ready to party?
I think so. I'm trying to be. Oh, my knees.
All right, we got ourselves a nice little cross country in the baby Cessna. Matt's excited. He's gonna be doing everything. I'm just gonna take a nap in the back, and we are going to do. It's a lot of Class Bravo airspace, so we're actually gonna go around, hook north, then east, and then south, and our destination is CO18 for pancakes and whiskey.
You want ears up there?
No, I was just trying to make sure our rearview mirror is adjusted.
Yeah.
You know, always in parallel park. And always look who's behind you when you're backing up. Why is that? Is that seriously adjustable?
Yeah.
All right, well, she's good. We got fuel. She's just warming up. That's locked. All right, I moved I removed the wooden stump, so we're good there. You want to taxi over? This is your plane.
Sure.
Let's see, we'll see what I bet we're gonna do. Let's see here.
Oh, do you want that on?
We don't have to. You don't have to turn on yet. Let's see here. I'm just gonna 3.8.
It's warm now.
Yeah, it's great. 3. Okay.
1528 Zulu. Wind 070 at 03. Visibility 10.
What way we?
Sky
I think we're gonna do
condition
runway
clear.
34.
Temperature 0
So go that way,
7.
yeah.
Dew point -06. Altimeter 3011. Remarks. Density altitude 5120. Erie Municipal Airport.
Yeah, you
Automated
guys are
weather
good.
observation 152.
These guys are doing 3.4. That's good. I hate doing 1.6 with 150s. We're like skimming the ground, trying to get lift. Well, that's a nice Mooney. Oh, they're having a spot landing competition. So check this out. This 150 that's coming in, you have all
Yeah.
these guys sitting out here,
Oh, okay.
and they do who can do like the shortest landing
Oh, nice.
in a 150.
Well, we just got activities going on like crazy
We should
today.
we should join them.
Yeah, just do it. Do it quick.
All right, you're clear on the left.
Okay.
All right, is he gonna do a good one?
Let's see.
Here he is. He's coming in hot. He's coming in hot. They're judging it. They're judging it.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
Oh.
nice.
Pretty good.
They're all eyeing your 150, buddy.
Oh, yeah, they like it.
They're like, dang, that's a shiny
It's
150.
got chrome on it.
That thing's ready for cars and coffee. Oh, here comes another 150 for the landing challenge. I'm so stoked that,
I got bad news.
oh, it'll go up.
Yeah? Good.
It should go up once we get some voltage under her. Ooh, this guy's coming in real
Is that
short.
another 150?
Yeah, it's another 150.
Oh,
Oh,
there
is
it
he going
goes.
around or is he
Yeah.
backing up? Oh, come on, bro.
He was way too short.
Way
Did you
too
see
short.
that?
Yeah.
Went down 0.2.
Yeah,
Wow.
it did great. All right, we'll bring it 2,000. There she falls. Enriching it. Perfect. Carb heat. Carb heat works. Left mag. Perfect. Left mag is good, and right mag. All your mags are good, so that's a good sign.
Plus 20 banana.
More landing competition.
Erie traffic, stack 10897, left downwind for runway 34 Erie.
Erie Cessna 63272, taking off runway 34, departing the pattern to the northeast. Erie. All right, you got your hands on that control?
Yep, go ahead.
-50, Blueberry, better.
And then you're just gonna, I'll tell you when to start easing back.
traffic, Cessna 25430, left crosswind, 34, touch go, you're right.
Start easing back a little bit.
Go ahead.
Yep, go a little bit. There you go. Level it out a little bit.
Traffic stack 10897, final 34,
Okay.
touch and go, departure
Got it.
limit north, Erie.
Nice. Push forward a little bit. There you go. We just kind of keep it right there. We'll get a little off.
traffic, Cessna 25430, left that 134, touch go, you're right. Hot air balloons over there.
Oh, good eye. Yeah, we
Buzz
gotta watch
those.
out for those little
Yeah, buzz those
pesky
guys.
little butt pirates. Always popping up out of nowhere. All these airspaces that we gotta get through. So this first shelf out here is 8,000, and then this next one we're coming into right now is 7,000.
Okay.
So if between 7,000 and 12,000 is Denver's DIA's airspace.
Okay.
And so we don't want to fly in that unless we have permission. And so, all right, you see this road right here? You're gonna follow that one right there.
Okay, got it.
And so we just, you can always talk to DIA and see if they'll let you through their airspace. And sometimes they do. If they're really busy, they won't. But that's why they do the shelves. So it gives us, the guys that don't need to talk to them and we stay out of their airspace, it gives us the capability of flying around their stuff down to our destination, which is literally still in their airspace. But I've never been to this airport, so this is going to be new for me too.
How many people are coming?
I'm expecting 1 dude or 100. So it could be good. I just know that
never know.
There's free pancakes.
Yeah.
So that's all I'm here. That's what I'm about in life is
Free
pancakes. That's all I care about.
Free stuff.
Nothing else matters. Pancakes. What a good morning to fly though. I tell you what.
Yeah, thanks for doing this. It's perfect.
Oh, are you kidding? It's an excuse to fly. Like in the shiniest 150 known to existence.
Yeah. We can make her famous.
Oh, she already is. Oh, I want to, those river valleys down there, I want to fly so
those
bad
are so sweet.
on the paramotor.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. You can just literally, you don't even need to take the doors off.
Yeah, I know, right?
So was this what this thing is? It was called the Patroller or whatever? Was that the model? Was that an actual model?
Yeah. The Patroller model, so that's why it has all this weird stuff. And it has the big tanks in it.
What's the guy going to use these windows for?
I don't know.
What are you patrolling? Are you surveying the sky?
Moonlight.
Moonlight. You can like literally do. It's just flat. I mean, some of this looks better than some of the runways we've been to.
Yeah, like those roads.
Oh, she's doing good. Oil temp looks great. Oil pressure's good. Got gas in both tanks. We're doing 86 knots across the ground. Got 20 minutes till we're to the magnificent pancake extravaganza. Matt's first fly-in. He's really excited. Aren't you? She sure flies good.
Yeah, it's smooth.
Yeah, and I would say, like, you know, when you start doing more left seat stuff, this will be easy for you to read. You're obviously right seat, so you're like having to look over and then look up, and that gets confusing. But like,
I just watch this a lot, and I watch that.
Very good, yeah. These two, and your most vital thing out of anything, in my opinion, is your airspeed.
Yeah.
Things start getting really kind of spongy, like right around the 55 knot mark.
Gotcha.
I mean 50, I don't know, these actually are really docile, they're wonderful, but 60 is like my magic number. Like when I'm taking off, I try to like shoot for 55, 60, you know, and you felt it today.
Yeah.
Did you feel like you're starting to try to lift?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
So just don't force it.
It talks to you, like, exactly, do not force it, that's...
Yeah.
Should be around up here. It's one of these spots.
The runway?
Yeah.
Is it dirt?
I don't, grass, I think.
Oh, grass.
Might be it over there. That could be a strip up there. I just can't tell.
I see a cart, or it's dusty going through it. Wow, we could slide her right in.
Car beats.
Is there anyone coming? I don't see anybody. Got that. Woo! Slipping it in. Ooh, it goes up.
Oh, this is awesome.
It's smooth. How'd that feel?
That was great. You got a good plane, buddy. His wheel bearing's a bit noisy. Wow, look at all these aircraft.
There's a lot.
Good Lord.
There's the exit.
Wow, look at all these planes.
Pancakes.
Look at those. Look at that one over there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, here comes the helicopter. I knew it was coming here.
How cool is this?
Park right there. Where is it? Are we supposed to park somewhere? Look at those things. That's polished. I need to talk to that guy. We do need a little big soft tires, huh? We're gonna keep doing
tiniest tires in the
We're gonna keep doing this. We're gonna get stuck in this mud.
Arrived.
Sick.
We
Good one.
that was a cool landing approach.
That was just quick and.
Oh, this guy's doing a flyby. Check this out. Sweet.
Oh yeah.
She looks good, man. First flying with your bird. I love that Cub. They just look cool. You know, like...
Got a wood prop on it.
Oh. Here's my buddy Chad's plane. This thing's sweet. It's like the most spacious back seat I've ever seen. It's like a bench seat.
still gonna land?
I don't know. That was amazing. What spot?
I don't know.
Wait, you feel like on the front cowling?
Yeah.
Well, it's just a shade.
It's
It's,
a
a
shadow.
shade darker,
Yeah.
unfortunately. But that's okay. I mean, it is shiny. Dude, you don't even need, I mean, you don't need position lights, you don't need strobes, just the sunlight hitting it.
Yeah, because
This is, oh, yeah, let's check that oil, and I'll do the sticks on the tabs.
I'm on a ladder.
Pilot in the wild. Doing what he has to do. Oh, this kid's running this way.
I see it.
Better hurry. Here they come. Oh, they're pulling up. You better hurry. Alright, you're gonna push.
I'm gonna push.
You're gonna push.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get blasted.
No, I don't think you will, because... Alright, well, we're stuck. We got stuck. Hey, you could... Yeah. Ready?
Hey, mind if I jump in?
No!
Alright. Where are you going?
Mexico!
Okay, I'm in.
Alright, let's do it.
So I got a picker in my knee.
A kicker?
Go ahead, they're called.
Yeah, you definitely got a go ahead in your knee. I just saw that.
Yeah, ow. Gave her all I got. Doing good. He's probably going to want to do a flyby, so just keep an eye out for that. Alright. Full pinned. We are full. Full power. Woo!
Oh yeah, she's at race speed now.
Alright, they're up. You doing a midfield?
You want to do a low flyby?
It don't matter. Yeah.
Okay. 114 is for GIL VOR, which is 114.2. So we put it in 114.2, and then what we're going to do is we got a from indication. We're going to switch it over to a 2. Now let's switch over to a 2.
Okay.
And I'm going to keep rotating it, and that the needle's going to fall down. There it goes. So right about, where are you at? Right about a 340 is what we need to head to, and we have a 2 indication for, this is like early navigation, which is really cool. The fact that all this works really good, it's fascinating to me.
Yeah.
It's kind of a dying thing. You know, we have stuff like this for flight. VORs have been around since like the 40s, but they were like the main form of guidance. So like when you're training, you are going to have to still do a VOR. FAA has not retired a VOR. It's still required on the training supplement. So get comfortable using these because they'll help get you
Yeah.
to your destination that you need to get to.